I'm definitely putting this on my new album, so I hope y'all like it. Itself and you can't get your tan underneath these covers and that 4-blade ceiling fan. You know I love to see you with that 2-piece thing on top, but I can think of something better, I ain't gonna lie. I could use a little rain beating on a window pane while we listen to the tin roof sing a love song all day long. It pours, cause clothes stay on the floor. Yeah, that's the kind of storm that's been calling my name. I could use a little rain. I could use a little rain. Blame it on the fast lane, trying to make that dollar bill. Why everything we gotta do, it can't be sitting still. I know that it ain't your fault, and I hope that it ain't mine, but we've been in a drought for a little too long a time. I could use a little rain beating on a window pane while we listen to the tin roof sing a love song all day long. And yeah, I hope it pours, our clothes stay on the floor. Yeah, that's the kind of storm that's been calling my name. I can use a little rain. I can use a little rain. Sun, go away. Come again some other day. Me and this girl got love to make. Yeah, we got love to make. Sun, go away. Come again some other day. Me and this girl got love to make. Love to make. A little rain beating on a window pane while we listen to the tin roof sing a love song.